Hello guys! Welcome to another vlog. Super late na itong bagong vlog na aming isi-share sa inyo, pero hopefully ay ma-enjoy nyo pa rin ang bagong destination na ating i-explore. Happy birthday Kyla! And welcome to
Malaysia.
Nantok pa. Dustin, welcome to
Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Yang Basku.
We're now in Kuala Lumpur International Airport and we are waiting for our service. Welcome to Malaysia! Ito na ang aming service from airport going to hotel. Nabook nga pala namin ang service na ito via Klook. So guys, this is our room. We have twin single bed. We also have flat screen TV. And this is the window. We also have a working station here. Pasensya na sa kalat. Ayan, nag-charge na kami ng mga gadgets. At ayan, meron din tayong iron. Pwede tayo mag-plancha dyan ng mga damit natin. And we have a full-length mirror pang OOTD. Ayan. Nandyan yung map ng hotel. And this is the bathroom, toilet. Separate ang toilet nila sa shower area. Ayan. Ganito ang style ng kanilang toilet. Para marble yung mga walls. Ito, may big mirror din dito. Ayan na, nilabas na namin yung mga gamit namin. Mga toiletries na gadala namin. Mga gamot. At ito, toiletries na provided nila. Ito naman ang shower area. Okay naman yung water nila. Hindi lang ganun kalakas yung pressure. Ayan. Medyo luma na yung hotel, pero decent naman. And the best yung location. Mamaya makikita nyo. Sinasabi ko. Ayan, so may bidet din tayo. Pero yung bidet nila doon, walang spray. So yan, parang hose lang siya. Pwede na. And towels. Actually, lahat ng bidet all over Kuala Lumpur, yung mga pinuntahan namin, ganyan lang. This is our view. Good morning, Malaysia.
Got a rookie situation I need to discuss.
Yeah, sure thing. Hold on. Okay, here she comes. Talk to me.
So, I just tried to go out with an oath.
Let me see this.
Then take one of them shoes off, fit the pinion back in. We will eliminate that play.
That's much different.
What do you mean, hey?
What they've been doing.
I don't know. We can't care what they do. We also have an entry, too.
Petronas.
By the way, if somebody was to get pinched, who knows the way around?
This is the lobby. food. Mall. Tabi lang siya ng hotel namin. Ayan ang hotel namin. My beautiful mama. E-Max. E-Max Max. G-Max. Ito yung ano, Wisma Central. May masarap na pizza place daw dyan. Italian. Starbucks. Pwede kayo mag-breakfast dyan. Ayan na, Petronas. Yay! Sobrang lapit. Petronas. Isang Surya KLCC Mall siya. Sa baba ng Petronas Towers. Food court. Doon may mga chicken doon. Parang masarap nga dyan. Parang mga noodles. No. 300. Mga noodles. Mga noodles. Gawa na. Indian. Mga Indian. Oh, sarap. Curry food. Parang masarap na. Ayaw mo? Oo. Ha? Okay na yan? Ayun, ganun. Ayun. Tulad ng order niya.
Higup na muna das eh. Higup na muna, malamig na ito. Malamig na ito.
Wow, laksa. Hello! We're walking.
Hello! It's Kayla's birthday today. That's why you are here.
Diyan natin yung tayo. Ang ganda na rin sa akin. Anything.
alcohol. May alcohol ka. Marshmallow.
Nandun sa ito. So soft. Ganda. How much is this? 139. Aesthetic. Sa airplane.
Sarap ka na.
Soft multi-cushion. Floor map. Ang ganda naman. Floor map. Cute. Iba, may damit. Meron na rin ito sa North Towers. Sa SM.